One of the watches that's grown on me since the introduction is this Tudor Black Bay Chronograph. Keeping in mind, of course, that this is a collaboration between Breitling and Tudor. This watch actually has the Breitling B01 Movement inside of it, which is kind of incredible when you think about it, because Breitling doesn't offer their movements to anybody, and frankly, Tudor doesn't offer their movements to anyone else either, even though the Breitling Super Ocean has the MT56 XXX style movement in its Super Ocean heritage. So when you talk about Breitling and Tudor, you're talking about a collaboration made on the movements on these watches. But what's really cool about, and what's really grown on me about this particular chronograph, is the dished subdials in this. It gives it sort of a texture. And the thing about that dial is it's matte. It's a little bit understated. It's got the understated bezel that reminds you a lot of the steel bezel Daytona. And because Tudor is a Rolex company, obviously it would, right? The cool thing is, though, that it has the Black Bay standard crown with the Clair de Rose, and of course it has the screw down pushers. So these are things that you don't find on a lot of other watches. This is a very thick case. It's heavy. It feels substantial. And for the money that you're going to be paying when you find it at SwissWatchExpo.com, the discount that you're getting is absolutely phenomenal. And I just want to point out, it's $3,990. That is a significant savings over the price new. Finding it pre-owned is definitely a benefit. Find it at SwissWatchExpo.com. Give us a call here at SwissWatchExpo for this Black Bay chronograph. It's absolutely amazing.